Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Hyundai Sportage LX, stock reference number 4982. This shape runs from the 8th month 2007 through to the 6th month 2010. It has a G4GC 2-litre petrol engine, 4-cylinder, automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, radiator grille, left front 16-inch 5-spoke factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both right-hand doors have one small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.